Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today will be day 9 in my classroom, I think. I really wasn't even planning on coming in or filming today, but here we are. So first things first, by now the secret is out to the world that I am in fact pregnant. We are expecting our very first baby and we are so incredibly excited. It definitely does throw a little bit of a wrench into the school year, but what are you gonna do? By the time you're seeing this, I have announced it on Instagram and I have posted our official announcement video here on my YouTube channel. So I am at this point 12 weeks pregnant, which means I will be due in the middle of February, which means I will be going on maternity leave. Now, I don't know exactly what my plan is gonna be. I don't know if I'm gonna take the rest of the year off or 6 weeks or whatever. I still have to sit down with HR and figure all of that out. But that being said, the belly's gonna grow and the baby's going to come, and I'm so excited. It's really funny because I was obviously pregnant the entire time I was filming this setup series, and I would always be like, God, I'm so tired, I need to go home and take a nap, or I have to go eat, and like my friends who knew that I was pregnant would just be like, you're giving it away! But now you guys know. So that is partially why I've been in and out of my classroom this summer and not just like going hard. The secret's out, I'm having a baby and I'm still in my classroom. Okay, but enough about that. I'm in my classroom to get some work done. So I got the math curriculum. I found out that I'm not getting an Apple TV this year, I'll be getting one next year, but I will be getting a projector and screen, but I am getting technology before school starts. They ordered chairs for me, so I will be getting chairs. All of my science curriculum is up in the library, but I think she needs to scan it in before I can start going through it. So all that is dialed in. Things that I want to get done today. I want to label the crates over here that I was talking about in my last video. If you didn't see that video, it will be linked down below, but the short of it is each basket is gonna be a turn-in for one of my sections. I'll be teaching 3 sections of science, 1 of math, and then my homeroom. So I made signs for those, so I'm gonna laminate and do some stuff with that. And then I'm just gonna clean up. I got some stuff at the Dollar Tree, like playing cards. I wanna get those in their containers. I wanna rehang my letters, rehang this, the other one over here. And then I wanna see if I can start going through some of this math curriculum and getting it in some of these things. So that is what I'm going to do. I'm going to put you guys down, and like always, I'll pick you back up throughout the day. Okay, they're done, but I totally messed them up and I'm gonna have to redo them all over. So I just glued them to see. These are way too big. I forgot that there are handles right here, so I had to only make them to here. So I flubbed it up, but I'm just gonna leave them for right now to get a visual because I actually like the way that it looks. It's very clean. A lot of you ask me, this is KG Blank Space. And this one, I can't remember. I know it's a Molly Joe font, I think. I will make sure to link this one down below. So that was a bust, but whatever. All right, I was able to rehang up these. And I also hung up these. If you missed that fiasco, I'm using these command hooks instead of the white ones because they are way stronger. So that's all situated. Then in these boxes, these are all the kids' homework notebooks, and these are all student notebooks. I'm not really sure what all that means. And then I only really have 2 teacher manuals. So let me see how I want to do this. Okay, so I have a teacher like manual and then my journal. I think I'm going to use these because I used these to store my ELA curriculum last year and they fit spiral notebooks really nicely. And then these are all my science ones, so I'll probably break those up. I obviously have to change these. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that now. And then I think I'm gonna use these for once I get those science kits. I might put some of the stuff in here, like the vocab cards and things like that. And these I'm gonna leave empty for now. That's usually what I put my like supplemental stuff in. So as I collect stuff for math, I might put them in there, or maybe assessments, I don't know, we'll see. So that all fit perfectly. These are my 2 math ones, and then I have 2 science in each one, and then just 1 in the bottom. So I will make labels for these once I figure out the order I'm gonna teach everything. So that's awesome. It's exactly what I wanted to use this unit for, so I'm happy it worked out. All right, so I just went ahead and put all the student math journals down here for now, because I didn't have anywhere else to put them. And then I put all of the homework packet thingies in here. So that's all I can really do as far as curriculum goes, because that's all I have. I am gonna go through this bag and put together some of these playing card things, and then I'm gonna get out of here. I might actually be combining this with another vlog depending on how long it is, but I'm making mental notes of things that I wanna do. Also, being out of breath is a pregnancy thing. I like talk and I'm like, can't breathe. So I'm making mental notes of things that I want to get done. I need to bring in a thing of nails because I have to fix my bookshelves. I have to fix my calendar from over here because it fell. That's fun. And other than that, I'm pretty much getting done, you guys. I'm gonna remake these back here, and then I'm gonna make labels for my curriculum. And that's all I'm really gonna do probably in this vlog. So I'm gonna put these together and then I'm gonna get out of here. Okay, you guys, I don't even remember where I heard this, but these things are incredible for decks of cards. So they come in a pack of 3 at Dollar Tree for $1, and they literally fit a deck of cards perfectly because these just get ripped to shreds. I use these for math games and also for indoor recess. They also store a box of 24 crayons perfectly. This is what I would do if I taught primary. So if you've never seen these before, definitely worth it. All right, I'm gonna end this day for this vlog right now. I am gonna smash this in with another vlog, so I'm tired, shocker. So I'm gonna get out of here. I'm gonna get some stuff done at home, and then when I come back, probably not tomorrow, maybe on Wednesday or Thursday, I'll have more to do in here. I'll see you guys on another day. Hey guys, so I am back in my classroom. I think it's like 2 days after, it's Thursday, or maybe 3 days, I don't even know. And I have some very specific goals today. I walked into a lot, more than I was expecting, which is good because school starts a week from today, but that means I have less time to go through everything. So for today, I have some like very specific goals. The first thing that I wanna do is I brought some nails from home. I want to fix my bookcases, they're wobbly. This is something fun I walked into. This is all the science material. So one of the things I'm gonna start to do is not even go through it, but to figure out how I can store this. I'm pretty sure none of these fit up here, and these are all empty, well, except for that one. So if I can find a way to condense some of these into smaller containers, you know I'm all about it. I also am going to go through all of my leftover supplies, and I'm gonna organize them into a back to school giveaway that I've been mentioning. So I'm gonna organize all of those and take pictures. And then I got 3 boxes of supplies that I think they ordered for me. So I'm gonna start to go through those. And those are really the 4 main things that I wanna get done today. The first thing I wanna do is fix my bookshelves. And then I'm gonna open these supplies, then the science curriculum, then take pictures for back to school. Okay, I'm gonna get to work. Okay, so I just opened these boxes of supplies and I'm like shocked. My old school never just gave me a bunch of stuff. I didn't even order this. I'm just gonna show you what it is. It's really cool. Okay, so first thing, they gave me like a vacuum, which is amazing. 2 tape dispensers, a whole thing of cardstock. I'm gonna use this little unit over there to store all my paper. This is part of the vacuum. Colored pencils, a whole thing of hot glue, which I was literally gonna go buy tomorrow. 2 things of Sharpies. These are just empty containers, which are on brand, how'd they know. Modeling clay, some paint, a whole container of Sharpies, and then a bunch of glue. So these are all extra supplies that I'm gonna have to find a spot for. Oh, and they also gave me this backpack, but I think I'm gonna put this in my giveaway because I don't think I will use it, but how cool is that? Oh, and all of these permanent markers, so fun. Okay, so now these. So what I think I'm gonna do is some of the smaller ones, I know for sure I can combine to fit in those little tubs over there. So I'm gonna combine what I can now and then brainstorm what I can use to go up here. Just when I thought I was making headway on my classroom being clean, it is officially destroyed again. So I had to take all of the materials for each unit out of these bins and I laid them out here. That way I can see what I need. So each unit comes with like cards like this. So these I can easily store in those flat bins over there. And then some of the units like this, I don't need a ton of storage, so I can use these bins, which is great. And then for the rest of them, I'm gonna make a list and see what I need to get at Big Lots. Okay, so for example, this table came in one of the big bins and I was able to get all of the cards and everything for activities in here, plus some of the smaller materials. So that'll be unit 1. And then I was able to fit every single unit's vocabulary cards and chapter questions in here, which was great. So then I can fit a few more units, and then I think I'm gonna get this big drawer system I saw at Big Lots for big items like this, but I'm just keeping the unit with the materials so I don't mess it up. Oh, also every unit came with these huge unit questions and cards, which obviously aren't gonna fit in that type of bin. So I gotta get creative, figure out how to store these too. Okay, so they actually all fit for the most part in these bins. I had one extra. So now I just have like the really bulky stuff, like I said, not this. That's left on the tables. This is gonna get in some type of storage. I don't know, it's really weird because I thought I was gonna utilize all of these for this. So now I have a lot of empty storage up there, which is exciting. Now that I'm thinking about it, I should just store all this stuff up there, but I do want to get bins for it. So I should have to figure out what kind of bins to get. Okay, but now all that's done, I'm gonna spend some time going through my back to school stuff for my giveaway. And then I gotta get out of here because I have to be somewhere in like an hour and 20 minutes. Here's your sneak peek. I have all these supplies, expo markers, erasers, pencils, colored pencils, crayons, highlighters. I am gonna give this backpack away, so if you receive it, most of the supplies will probably come in the backpack. I have one of these paper rolls from Target. I'm gonna give you all of my schedule cards from last year. This is a welcome banner, mini pocket charts. I have several of these unopened supply holder thingies, notebooks, a cute teach sign. This is really cute, I got this from Target. And then this I use for my Ask 3 Then Me. So all this is going in one giveaway. All right, that is all packed away for a lucky somebody. Make sure you're following me on Instagram at Early Adventures because that's where you're gonna be able to enter for the giveaway. All the instructions will be over there. I'm not gonna go into it right now, but I'm gonna get out of here because I'm tired. I thought this was gonna be the end of my classroom setup series, but that's just not the case because we have a hot mess going on, but that's okay. So if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Do not forget to subscribe. That's gonna be part of the rules for entering the giveaway. I know I mentioned yesterday we decided to start a family channel. I went ahead and built it, so I will link it down below if you guys wanna follow along our pregnancy journey and just like our personal lives. I will link it down below. There is no video yet. I'm gonna be working on that this weekend, but I just wanted to throw it out there in case you guys are interested. But other than that, I love you guys so much. We have one more week and then school starts. So I hope you guys have had an amazing summer and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.